When you search for the best Tonneau covers for your Ram 1500, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Rollup. First up is the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Rollup Truck Bed Tonneau cover. For just $199.95, this cover really caught my attention with its solid design and high rating of 4.6 stars from over 8,200 reviews. If you want a reliable cover that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why is this product a good choice? It features a durable 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl that protects your cargo from the elements while being easy to roll up for full bed access when you need it. Plus, it has a tension system to keep the cover tight and wrinkle-free, which is important for maintaining its shape and performance over time. The Velcro strip seals help keep things secure, ensuring you won't have to worry about your gear getting wet or damaged. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to install if you have an over-the-bedrail bed liner, as you might need to cut small holes for the clamps. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a minor modification, this cover provides excellent value for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that offers solid protection. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires no adjustments at all, but for its price, it's hard to beat. Alright, if the installation aspect of the Tiger Auto T1 concerned you, the next option takes a different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. Next up is the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover, priced at $246. This one has an impressive 4.7-star rating from 11,000 reviews, which definitely caught my eye. If you need something that's easy to access while still offering protection, this is worth considering. Why does this matter for you? Made from the same heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl as the T1, it's built to withstand harsh weather. Plus, with a no-drill installation process, it's designed to make your life easier, especially with its stainless steel clamps adding durability. This cover fits snugly, keeping your cargo secure from rain and dust. However, a few users did complain about some minor leaks during heavy rain. But honestly, if you're just using it for light to moderate weather or storage, it still offers fantastic protection. This is perfect for you if you require easy access to your truck bed without sacrificing security. Skip this one if you need ultra-high protection for extreme weather conditions, but for most users, it's a great pick. Now, if the potential leaks were a deal-breaker for you, let's check out something a bit different. Product number 3, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Rollup, 2010-2026. Now we have the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Rollup Truck Bed Tonneau cover compatible with 2009-2018 Dodge Ram 1500, priced at $207. With a solid 4.6-star rating and over 8,200 reviews, it's another great option from Tiger Auto. If you need a reliable cover for an older model, this is definitely worth a look. This cover features the same heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl and sturdy aluminum side rails, providing the durability you need. It also seals well against the elements with its Velcro strip and features a tension system to keep it tight. Here's why this matters: no one wants a cover that flaps in the wind or allows water to seep in when it's raining. Some users pointed out that installation can require minor adjustments if you have an over-the-bedrail bed liner. But honestly, if you're comfortable with a little DIY, it's not a deal-breaker, especially given how well it holds up once installed. This is ideal for you if you have an older Ram 1500 and need a solid, affordable cover. Skip this if you want something that's ready to install without any modifications, but it's a fantastic value for its price. If you want something a bit harder, let's take a look at the next product. Product number 4, Tonneau Hard Folding. The next option is the Tonneau Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover, priced at $499.95. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 900 reviews, this cover offers a more durable approach. If you prioritize security and protection, this could be the one for you. What makes this cover stand out is its hard-folding design featuring polished aluminum panels. It's built to withstand severe weather, keeping your cargo dry and protected from heavy rain and snow. Plus, the easy installation with included clamps makes it user-friendly, so you won't struggle putting it on. Some users have mentioned that it's on the heavier side, which can make it a bit cumbersome to open and close. But here's my take. If you're looking for something that offers higher security and weather protection, this added weight can actually be a good trade-off. This is perfect for you if you need a tough cover that can handle harsh weather and keep your gear secure. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option that's easier to handle, but for the added security and durability, it's worth the investment. Finally, if the weight of the top tonneau is a concern, let's check out a lighter option that still performs well. Product number 5, SYNTHACY Soft Trifold. Last but not least, we have the SYNTHACY Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at a budget-friendly $145.99. This cover has a solid 4.6-star rating with over 407 reviews, making it a great choice for those on a tighter budget. If you want a sleek look without spending a lot, this is worth considering. It not only shields your cargo from rain, snow, and dust, but also offers a stylish appearance. With a double-layer PVC construction, it boasts impressive durability against UV rays and has a simple installation process. You won't need any special tools or drilling. Some users did find that the material feels a bit thinner compared to others on this list. But look, if you're mainly using your truck for light loads and everyday errands, this cover still offers solid protection at a great price. This is great for you if you want an affordable cover that looks good and gets the job done. Skip it if you need heavy-duty protection for large, heavy loads, but it's an excellent value for everyday use. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Tiger Auto T1 and T3 are solid choices for budget-conscious buyers, while the top tonneau offers stronger security. And if you're looking for an affordable pick, the SYNTHACY covers your basic needs with style. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs and you can't go wrong.